nuntu bagutukana kabwega nuntu bakwithira wi truthful nuntu bagutwita ugwa nuntu bagutonya matunda kana wega bwa municipality ndi mwekuru wa now South au chamani auga ngugi twitete actually twitete buruburi kana king'ang'i atatonga wa guko lakini twamwire ku itikuruka naja na ndija nkuwa God's time is the best na murungu na jara bangite inya yathire myaka eng'ana atejoka rika so in short unite na mantu amengi ankuga ibwega na ngitokia nkabo buru na nkarombera ndake kwa because this one is his hand tumukarie bwega na nkoro intongi tumikire ngugi ondio tike batale. Thank you very much.
Nandike kale yale yale chairman wa Mwanja na chairman wa Taifa wana mbaye ndio kuna mambo ya Taifa ndio wana kuna chairman wa Taifa
Bwana Yesu asifiwe.
Amen.
Gavana wetu na kabineti yetu na ageni betu baraba nyombeje uni yetu mbeta kwa Samoro Mbai Itonga ndi chairman wa Taita community. Bwana Gavana ni mteaje muno ntu chairman wa kamete akwaria na mami okwa akwaria migambo kwa ni yake Gavana ugo egitene mwaka hivi nkijo mwana tumeri tutavira kuona ndi uni na Gavana atonga nene nonto nyani ntaviria mwaka ndiko burwa kwa Gavana ngugero litrete Meru county utethirete mwaka jomwe niyo mbiterete antu bataita na Nkubu ntethirete mwaka jomwe. Bwana Gavana nda bangite oraga giteke nonto ndiko burwa propaganda yejiriro ya mbondinga yani ndi Mukristo bujyo onde ya sakramenti era nana kanisene era batira kwa radio era nonzi maira mbere Mukristo ngokera leta ngabidi hata karumwa ande antu bauga kabo adura mtunge wetana maguru utawata kwa nibo ndabonde tete ai ndori arume ndika mpe ugitege kaliki ndawanga ngakirekia silently ntera ngabara to arabo kamiterengi ndori ene na jonga akire kalekia ate ndawanga ndete sibitali ndeta mbarianda gitali mwere wenda gitali mpande kira kabaruko ya unge mtuzo atebati kwara ya muno mbere yantu nya imbaraja ndona ende nonda gitali akenda kwande korongola ni urongo nkumwira ubwali ngayiga ndachoka bibiri yene ndali kana ndaundi aitero kira kene mwezi ati nya atweka era biatenye ndona uni tini mwana ngorokia yu ndawanta sukuma ikasi Bwana Gavana ituitete ngugi tomita ya tologia tuarara igakene tuaromba nkwagaya mwankanga yejo tutharima twakinya mwisho na ni Gavana ugwikira chata kirore na Nkubu ketwika municipality batu Gavana itukenete nonto ukeza kwethera wena mwari umuthongi nja muntu okora ataganya kurithia kuro aikora wendaka yejo wa mwari uriko ora mwari wa twirwe ikiraitwale MP kiraitwale je kura kuro chiarema munyethira au agerie kura kuro chiaremwa kawereza auga nyethira mukate gorongere gachio nyongorora agerie kura kuro kenda tonyenzeria chiarema mutuma tuju mwako mukiria giteaya au awe kamware gatura Taita bia wiya kabongi kambete nkarambie mutuma akweja mbere kingi kionde ambere kura kuruira ukona ora to nyanja au to nyanja muntu agambia mware no amwenda nontu mutumano na muntu irreverent na ndi mware alikuwa na Biblia na mware yaje gutagia science naja kwatuka mutumato muta Biblia na ndi mutuma ombithia mware amwenda na bathithia nontu mutuma na mwire nya tutirugura yuku rira tugetanja yuku twirugura mbere twetanja mutuma arugura yuku mutuma thoma yuku mutuma athithia kigerio mutuma akuruka mwara ya kana na naru iko gatujite okongwiraga gwitwa chata so bwana mutuma kethira ni ogetira au inkubugania tukigita mwaka jungi Meru County ikethira ina municipality ingi itikure 5 otherwise unikamburi bwega ende mutuma nago nkwire maurira jari kithakene gatangu ina ije Meru chatigete into bibiaga mononja chatige kuru bathongi chatiga ng'ombe indongi chatiga kila kitu ende muntu akarara kithake na rira maumoja umire kithakene jejire jethira muntu aja kethira inya twana tutitwawe muntu mwekuru na atigirwa aramenya ungi na ntu bara bakuma kithakene bara bahingi baere botheri itware nya muntu gutu muchori mujwaja muchori munda jwa yuruge jona jwari na muntu twere mauma antu ethira aitamerete mbio Rwanda rwega so ngavana sisi tumeingia kwa msitu tumepigana tumeshinda tumerundi kwa mambo mazetu na tumekuta hakuna kitu wewe ndio utajua tutapata vitu vyetu wapi. Asanteni sana na Mungu awabariki.
Uriana ichatera saino na arua Ken era kwa nyanja nginku andika nyanja iri andika wana ale ayo mwene mazoka abidia rojo satege zo saino kwa fika rojo no kwa matia tero doranwa ngoge rojo dorani physical so ngere sema yasa Municipality.
Thank you so much, Chief of Staff, Your Excellency, Governor Meru, mawaziri, and all protocols observed. Good afternoon. Bita wa Ken kama shinani. Your Excellency, kandi kanie chairman wa the team, Mr. Gitari, kinyadhoko ile fresh produce. Governor na ejene mbecha. Oh, asante sana. Thank you, Your Excellency. Governor amepeana pia pesa ya kutengeneza soko yetu mahali kunanyesha na pia kuongeza mwangaza pale ndani. Waziri wa biashara alikuwa kwa barabara, nikamwambia tuko afisi ya governor na leaders wa community for the foundational legal document ya Nkubu ama charter. Kwa hivyo Your Excellency, asante sana. Tumekubaliana na waziri na pia mheshimiwa Makasi tutaenda Nkubu Jumatatu. Na kuanzia Jumatatu soko yetu itatengenezwa. Pia kuna facility ablution block ya pale kwa ofisi ya municipal manager. Thank you chief. Kira gituma nkia ikirwa muguto me uko iweregerero. Nchieta municipal manager governor na toete mbecha kwenja cha kuthithia facility perimeter wall tukairiga kiendi kiria. And now Your Excellency, with the charter, Governor akomba kumara karombere Nkubu mbecha cha kuthithia barabara cha kuongera roji Nkubu cha kuthithia kieni kira kia stadium. Non to remember non to boa good relationship between governor na leaders but South Imenti mheshimiwa Shadrack Moti kwino Shadrack ambira etete tu ero lete chata tukwa billions of money which all the sewage na ongera roji Nkubu, but because there was no charter mheshimiwa Shadrack akwama. So governor nibwega sana and mbuge thank you so much non to transform my tirika iro mitongone. Thank you Excellency non to bogo trust speaker akina Nick mheshimiwa Makasi akina Gitari na the team ku spearhead realization ya kiroto kia Narua. This is historic. Number 2, Your Excellency buge kwe mweje bagamba na ngina nethe bathukana na Your Excellency magistrate toria mweje kurenda gwita nao nonto nyako na bagu bakwathukana mweje ugande enda gwita na baba nonto nowe na ganto anto betu tukarendike gavana mutumano we baba wetu nowe na ganto. Finally, Your Excellency, finally chief mbuge riria Japan eringiro Nagasaki kwe mweje wairire mutano ngina na aria baithagia antu cremation etorwa na atewerite muntu murito na nakwite auga he is not heavy, he is my brother. Nkubu etirito Your Excellency twina timu iji itongeretwe igitari na Taita, Mheshimiwa Makasi, Mheshimiwa Nick, and your guidance Your Excellency tukamikamate etirito hii. Thank you so much.
Our governor, our speaker, all protocol observed. Mugeni. Narua onigankenete mono. Kweaja Narua. Orote mbijembe tawa Nick. Na ntwerende councillor. Na ntwerende MCA. Ondo mbete kura maitata antatu. Nanda wajana na nakuruka jairi. Nanda nominate jairi. Kwau oni savete ke leadership na mbati mzuri utonda karaome inkarathirikari na ndio kidogo ringi dene na oni nkenete mono nonto kuma ngavana wetu mutumanto ithinkio kuruka kambuge mbogere atwitirite nene mono na nkariria nkumete gwetu Taita municipality jo twejete kuraunchi Narua manto jajo saina document ije final jambererwe kume gitara kabere ntombije jeta ke MP bonde jeta ke governor bonde but Narua ja realized akweja tena mwanka jumo na kezo utuma jabua igento kemwe governor mutuma kamenyere ngogiewe na amenyore ritagwa ejira batwe onde jobitie waja omanto jale meta ndamuereza amboria oba Taita baregete bono la rojo bejo bichie kwa twaria ataja nenya time ndamwera ngava nenya uga beje na aru otuko bate mama gora nyeritu auga beje ndamwera ende ngavana onda bareta nkora wananga kwani Makasi no MCA wao na keje tumete ngoge irema ni anto koraga kwa baraba bashindete gitio ndara mbijewe Makasi no ruwe kiatha tukeja ndavana uga Makasi aringire Makasi uga na uga nkare tanto inyatariku ari muranga arara kweja for that commitment nonto Makasi na ije how difficult it was na I sacrifice arara kweja na ya tanto na tureta anto 25 aja kwa ngavana na to araniria anto Bataita bori angane ngavana abuyo angane waragia bwega utu auga gwa tweka muntu ne wabuyo kwe no twetete ngavana to at time to address issue chieto to aria boto kiaragia na anto Bataita is very difficult na ibo mi nondo muntu oro muinjo kona muri yakadongotha daje bero anto bamutindo abatunyore stage batunya kila mari begorerwa miunde were akwarira gintu gya compulsory acquisition weja dirikare kauga ni atugaka na ndende yakobaita na ntwere assembly ndi MCA ndi councillor na sheria na ndene iterwere anto batunyagwa ini dirikare thane kwende kugorere netho te kwenda kwendia bete nangi na ndabera utenjira chienu ikaramu arasima ngavana atuma antu bawe expert antu bakomea kwaria na antu na manto ja jonde ja kiamberia jambereria na muntu gwetwa Speaker Ayubu na Ayubu toka umete Southiment mbatiga tuigerwe kiao akereja gweto ngonde ni ereja kamuthere ndamwere itwaria na antu batwarerie ambira ngugenu karitate ndamwera Ayubu ugori muchore weto aria na ng'ania bakuthikira irore Ayubu atakabeta mundene jwawe ikyo giotuma kwerwa muntu natigae kuga ngugete kwa ne ng'ania oni limitation chiako ikinyete aja gwatueka no Speaker Ayubu ugere naru toteto na municipality akaugwa nuntu ngugutiewe twogweto na we speaker kwau no mwotumire twa realize nethire imuchore wantu babonde ngavana no gwatueka muringira thimo tu kwagete ko muringira rokere agetika na nto bari abo mwanka toiganwa ngavana ibwega manto jaja jonde ngogyo kurita babeta bakauga igete okarerete bakoruma bakauga tekiora thithia miankera batwera basainete sheria ingana naru sheria Meraa wa China naru sheria municipality jwa Nkubu saina manto jala momo wethete ndate mukaya gieta mwana wekirana batano rimwe no kuigwa wethe manto jare mete jatora jare mete mwanko thithia na ndaika iyo gwo bweri go celebrate mbere ma reverend na ikieto mamanto jakuja tambere na jathitheka wajairo tia no thitheti administration ogwe utenga no kare agete okorokerete jaro thitheti na nara uthomerete kawainyerie anto bakopuza na ora go ethra simba yurerio kathogani mpaka o meringi thio kameona kwa bati to gwetekia na tugagwekira inya na taita mbijewe taita bati to ugari yeto taita community oro me respect ya jakieni ne warianyo ntindiri chia ya chia meankaite meankegana chia kala kieni chia ria na go bathikira ntindiri unga yaga chieka no te ageta mbere ringa kura Minister baku na bobonze paranto jokere je kumanjanaro ito guita bongogi kuma bandenis ni anto bakweja dispensary eto etaita ya twero temunto kodithia no atia inyomwe ogwe gwa governor mpere inye mpio to kinyo kana governor dispensary go treat anto magana jaire ntuko otoge aja nyo ogo wejero tugete governor wo kinyanze na ona status yeyo no mekira mubango na jwa mbecha keni gyato gya Nkubu anto batora kothioroka kugetiri gyote ko kithithetwe anto batwere kumaga kuna ng'ombe na mburi na igwana beto bagwita bagochethera ogo gokinyake wagetegero kya mbecha bange batwere bagetegeta na metho tu jandori orotega ndori ete kwaria nagwe ogo nande otwitera ngoge na wimbeja chejete ekoro beto thokone barakara bakiura irwa muankangata twakirotho kwekarege turaroje mwekoro karia kereta mutundu ya jwa ngiri 3 jokaurirwa akarete erindara Pakistan bekagwate chondi gavana tothireria thineu matunda ni orege ata thokone u kotomete contractor thai mwankanande otestima anto oge ata thoko Nkubura uguraku anto bendagia tochi na ina stima twekerwe mata kengege kairo muthia nara kiamure kama tundo uja kagunda inya jate gundi okay ya rokere ajo tontoka thai no tumete contractor ara akobweri kweja narua gatererwe ara gweta ko mutumba inda rugorete bako eu kogwatana no bichi cha kanjo bate kioro totwere twe kioro kekierinya na ibiere gyanto arome na ekuru kiojurire utindi omba gwetaku na ikyanto babonda batumaira baba bakwere mutumba ngavana toringete kerere njimi chionde kioro keu gitakwa no kweja thaiji no nekanirite contract babyere kenda boringa kura kana kenda bwera muntu bomeano bwitera ngoge borende thire akithithagia atia wetherete gita ria kwena thine mbecha ta mwana oro ciaragwa egita rira mbura yurite wachoria korera kyo mwana uge karema bara thetherete gukiuraga na ng'ombe iciari na mbori na kurotwo gukinya njeu bakora akote kuthithia na weka wetherete gita riri umu ngavana mwabou orerete mwana ogwetwa Meru Mwankari riba kwena thina iriko thaya tutega gazeti na tukona mbeca ni chererete mieri 3 keto kuona kurea mechari thina mbeca gukoba bank eno kuona muntu ethere mbeca chiena mi itori kianine akiugo tekyo kuthithia ambwere ni antu beto anderomba antu bara ngavana agutethia na gwitera project bonde bethebe mugwata njara orawe imbeo ingavana anda na muthoganire na murombere kura office orawe ingoge ingavana na murombere kura na ntoba betheriete barobichi kumegita rangara munya rakeraito rakawera ibathe kerengavana oriku karaja mwana ogorina ngina eta kwa mukoronge athekaira mukoro ukore avisi tekara okerika no ro gutere no kigwa so ngavana tukagokaria na batwe na atwe twena nchio togwete jababa chethera njecho agita goto wala ndagita muntu goto ngavana onkarie ibwega kama gerendo kama sinani ngoboto becha turaheja kwa wankana ndejo kwa munispo tuongeze logiwa wankana ndeta unena very big challenge ngaba na wedere tena beneu lakini ongongerwe kidogo wije owatoromya njogu elemento miruma ya kirenge mwili aroma bakino eno ukanywae eto anene angavana erenyito bieja ituongerwe mbecha kama chinani ombe nyoto na ria dola kama chema
Enywe no ana hata yekabu ya asante sana hata tutumweka kidogo kiajara director of protocol asante sana. Next ni Baitoti, the chief officer wetu Mantu ya Agriculture ndanaruka utena hizi. Next ni Mwenda, chief officer wa education na Kumaliment South area Taita. Taita. Bas, Taita kwa nani ndikali na nani aleko? Asante sana. Next ni Sarafina. Sarafin ni the chief officer wa land and planning. Na inyo umete igoji o Imenti South, asante sana. Next tuwe na waziri wa ugima bomwe wa L na business to you eno to the Imenti sector aja ujo. Thank you so much. Aja tuwe na waziri Dr. Esther Ukonga arts and education television de Nesiawe aja timu yetu mawakili na nde Nkubu Municipality yote ika tuna waziri wetu wa mambo ya land and planning ndani ya kaunti ya Meru ulamu la ndema kwa hiyo ya Mugiru tayari hapo hapo na kwa tuna waziri wetu Joy anaenda kapo kwa one or two au just one comment on that na betala bandu
Your Excellency, the Speaker of the County Assembly, my colleagues and fellow CECs, good afternoon. Mugeni. Apologies for coming in late, first of all. I have a patience, but I made it. That is what matters still. I really want to thank you, everyone. Thank you for Department Land. Special thanks to you for the good work. And to beto bataita. Saturday, Sunday. There was no Saturday, there was no Sunday. Speaker Barabambe, the battle and the journey. Chief of Staff Gatangoge, you are really helpful to us. I am very grateful for this day, and thank you, Your Excellency, for trusting the department with this task. Asanteni sana, I wish you all the best.
Thank you so much, Waziri wetu wa Land. Mandrina karia dirikari ukirianjara usore wetu no karia dirikari ije ndio mkono mandri tema kwa na especially ya kana kana Meru ya tu banga band ale band kidire tekenda kwa 100%. Ndio sisi tunakai ni ndio mwisho au kalau kianjara anjunge tenesa kwa municipality sababu wetu na ndio kianjara ongeza mora kinetre anondo na mwisho na tuna pia wangabana kianjara Patrick. Murekina recognize former MCA. Thank you and all of us here. Kwa bangi ngabana ngileta tuna misa ya municipality team 7 yada amuna hii ndio. So andika to get some kind of one or two things on behalf of the other team who was in the way to one things for 2 minutes. Andika to choose them no.
Thank you, Your Excellency. Mawaziri na watumishi wa serikali, Honorable Speaker na akaria bandi guruba bakaraia Nkubu bakaraia urimi. Bwana asifiweni. Bwana asifiwe. Today is a great day. I'm not able to talk because Your Excellency, I'm very excited. If I talk, I cry, and I don't want to cry today. I am very excited, especially because of this bill, which has now become an act, the Miraa bill. It has helped us to define and give guidance to the sector of Miraa, a sector that supports a lot of, or a huge chain in the value chain. And you know, Miraa is not only profitable, or it is not a commercial property for the people living in Nyambene region. Now that Miraa got the business shrunk, even people in Kibiritia, people in Imenti, they are also crying because the money that was coming from this side was buying grains and potatoes and the cabbages and other foodstuffs na inapeleka pande ile. So it is Meru that was suffering, and therefore today is an historic moment. It is a defining moment for us as Meru, where we are revitalizing our crops, our value chain, and revitalizing our culture. Because Miraa is not only commercial, it has cultural and historical value for Meru people. That is why, Your Excellency, we are saying people outside the Meru, they may benefit because of Miraa, but they don't have the heart, or they don't have the essence, the real essence of Miraa in their art and in their brand stream. Merus are able to guard whatever they have, and one of the things they have to guard, it is Miraa. That act brings sanity, brings discipline in the way we grow Miraa and the way we export. And the results will be increased incomes in our households. It will be enhanced commercial activities, all the way from production to marketing and to households. So, Your Excellency, I am very happy as a Minister of Agriculture in Meru, because today we were with my chief officer in Atirale, and when we said we will leave them because we are going to frank our governor when he is making Miraa bill an act, there was a lot of relations there was a lot of singing there. So Your Excellency, I think you should go with that copy that has been signed when you go towards this side and tell them Gatango told you the truth and this is the document. Bakaroga bakurure ngorogia ora chamani ya kurure mpaka security ya rungama. It is because of that excitement, and we are truly excited. So ndovu munene ndigwa kinyamira emwe ne kamatiro indege ya ikua gontu mantire nwa wiji na andika na kaka meri kenda ka guciarwa kwe bange begire nyago kora na machocho na gukora na dhahabu na mane kou gavana wetu kana gaka atuma keja na arua meri kenda itukwirigira meri inge kenda ikinya meri 18 kana kange gagaciarwa ikinya wenge kana kange gagaciarwa na tonge nao tukero magwirio na tutu. So Your Excellency, you have done us proud, and as government I have interacted and the waziris wanajua the staff are with you. Hii timu kona jeshi, kwa hivyo wananchi mjue mkiwa huko nje mkitutazama na kutuambia kazi tunafanya, you have a hivyo jeshi and a hivyo commander of that jeshi. Thank you very much and God bless you.
Asante sana waziri, thank you very much. So it is welcome the honorable speaker to address us, and then we shall
thank you, Mheshimiwa Mbije, the Chief of Staff, His Excellency the Governor, Waziri, the two teams that we have from Miraa zone and the Taita community. God is good all the time. Before I say anything, I have my wakili leaders. He has been part and parcel of the team that has been preparing these documents. Wacha leader kuja aseme jambo na sijui linda kama umeolewa mojaolewa labda sikuna vijana hapo hajaoa sana basi.
All protocols observed, Governor, the Speaker, CC, CEOs, and all our guests today. My name is Linda Kibenji. I'm a legal officer at the County Assembly of Meru. All these policies, the bills, we've been having sleepless nights working together with the executive, and I'm very happy that we've gotten here today. Mr. Gatangoge can attest the milestones we've passed through with the Miraa bill, and I'm happy that you are here today. Thank you so much. As for my status, see me later.
So, asante wakili. His Excellency the Governor, jako ya makai mono mbere kabisa mbuge timu kwa ya mbunge yonde to the Deputy Speaker. We have a workshop with the EACC for today and tomorrow. So we expect them to be back by Saturday. Na kwa anko uya boyo kia policy chiao complete assembly. Batonge tini Deputy Speaker na ubale na leadership yetu ya mbunge. Na nyachi ya wetu kamiti wa kikacha na wanawali. Chia wetu wa planning bwana Aruno na wali na makasi na wali tete na wali na kubu kimona haja the assembly is represented 100% bere timu ile yumete saindira mantri ndera saindira Miraa MCs benu ete bonsali na chuambere mono yantukira para area bureau in the assembly, all of them were there 100%. Hata alikuwa ananiweka pressure, naona kama sitakuja mbunge. Patongere to the Deputy Speaker, Mheshimiwa Ombugire, when you have a team that is very dedicated to that, they can manage jambo kinyendea. Team wile ngea Taita, makaza has been unajua ngava na vile unasikia niki akisema watu sio mchezo. Ni watu ni wakali. Unasikia vile mbaya anaongea. So Elizabeth anacheka juu anajua it's not easy to handle them, but at least by God's grace and through your guidance you are able to agree on all the things that you have been able to do. So assembly yetu ile amwe na His Excellency the Governor also, I want to tell you that on Monday through also a special sitting we passed the pending policy ile watoto wetu waweze kupata uji na waangaliwe vizuri. So hiyo sasa maneno nilimaliza na mimi nikasign document na ziko kwako. Also the energy plan, we did work on it on Monday and we finished. I have also signed out the necessary documents that the plan to be signed. So we have given a leeway as an assembly. We are very grateful, Governor, that no tuete nafasi ya watu ambao witaniria Ngugi timu mwanonto otemo Meru executive na otemo Meru wa assembly. All of us we are the same. So tutuma tumbe ambuga na megambo mikai bugatire kimantia Miraa me can assure the people that itumete kuraja na itukinyete Antoine ne mono ankwenda kuga sheria gushaino ngavana batirasima the county government egwatanire na babwe mantri na bamureke nikenda tumba ku implement sheria iyi nundu twarawo chi implement then utona tugitete atia twitete itumike mbugo anko nuntu anto barakaye bakoya bageta mugenda direct bakagura nande itwekire sheria gutuma muntu uria umete Nairobi kana Somali yenda direct maoa agwatwa mbere irasima yambe atambulikane ge county government na bagwe ko bwije bweri ingania na ngania gitete atia wijite na mbere ibwega na gavana mia said it last week and I was in Meru na gatire abino this issue about Miraa kuma the few times that I've been bunge but mbunge otero twero antobo nda bakumba gwetekaneria na nande nukona twena timu ya Karoiro na twena timu ya Mantri, twena bamuizo, twena bamureke, twena basakinjo timu chonde kimanze apa ile yai bagitete atia betekane neta kare ngavana. It has never happened. Only from where I sit wembaliria onombaliria mbere tutekwenda speaker to change giki batambwiri bwega because bwekere interest ya mkando kenda bu represent interest ya murimi wa Miraa na mutro find ka kire Miraa ko mantri na team yen ambwiri bwega kiranto wa Meru no bwa yongo ku bwega andi ambwiri bwega na ngabana nkwire thank you because you are given us the environment nyamuko kwaya na ntu bakaba ko kimana ando letoro amura ndenda ujo bakara medeno antu baketata baketikaniri so mudo akondo bwira Miraa echoka nyuma tingabana ti assembly igwa michoke sheria era bwekira gwekira sheria ucho youth yetu rege nshwa sheria iko betata iko thingatwa kenda twita mbere na akondo bakishira ni bwira imbije the 100% sure that mbeche mei tugitete ata itwikirete muko na iko yantu aba kugwa tutetetheka no ibatere bona watu kagitata twatetheka so atete Miraa na kare mirebo kwenda wikira ruje kiruji ethe anaruo no itire na ndegeri imaka ni rongo abana na tereke munde na
ituda twina sheria cianto baraba kuya kugura into bietu naja bakiuma Nairobi baya bakethira irasimo report ye county government ikweba ruwe gweta kugitatia kugura so that mtu onde oro kugura gento ntorento kwa tuya na price yani wegitete atia ikariojo na tona kwina thina tukathinga tukameano wina thina tuka cancel license yae yawe kenda tumbo protect interest ya farmers right. Kwa hivyo governor, niseme hiyo tu kwa Kiswahili, ningetaka kusema ya kwamba governor, siku ya leo sisi tuna furaha kubwa sana kwa sababu ya hii Miraa bill. Wewe mwenyewe ndio ulikuja na hii maneno ya kutengeneza hii sheria na ulikuwa umeangalia kweli ukaona ni kitu kitaweza kufaidi watu wetu. Bunge ilikaa chini na wewe pia umeweza kukaa chini na bunge, na pia ukaweza kukaa na wale viongozi wa vikundi mbalimbali ambao hawajaweza kushikana hata siku moja ndio waweze kuongea maneno ya Miraa wakiwa pamoja. Lakini kulingana na uongozi wako, wale viongozi wote wameweza kukaa pamoja, wakakuja tukakaa nao tukiwa wabunge, tukakaa nao pamoja, na siku ya leo ndio tunaweza kujivunia ya kuwa tuko na sheria ambayo itaweza kuongoza mmea wa Miraa katika wilaya kaunti ya Meru, na tukiwa na sheria ambayo itaweza kufuatwa. Mwenye kutaka kununua Miraa, awe Somali, awe Mogadishu, awe London ama wapi, wacha kuja apige ripoti kwa county government, apewe barua ili aweze kwenda chini. Mwenye atapatikana akinunua kama ana barua, anawekwa ndani. Na niseme hii sheria hakuna pali inaongezea mwananchi wa kawaida ama mkulima wa Miraa tax yeyote. Ile tax italipishwa ni ile ya gari imewekwa, Miraa ikienda pali inaenda kupeleka. Kwa hivyo governor, ni shukrani kubwa kwa watu wa Meru, najua kwa Kenya, kwa sababu hii mmea pia ile pesa inapatikana kwa hii mmea inachangia kwa kukua nchi ya Kenya. Na mwisho governor, niseme mbuge kila tonge batu inabonga bana niye mandeza wita yagwa ria yari mbe ya mbunge ikilwe kotini kwa kotini etepingwa na gavana ande jire twaria ndakurira nto baba tware akwaje nabo chateji tumbo kurukwa na nto bagatura thinene no nto baba gavana for the last 10 years batete milioni egana that is 1 billion bechiri batuba chitite community area maikaba tedi na baitete kulingana n'utu bakwende urongo na bakabugura n'utu renda abetere ngabana ndabetere ndabera ntukwembere ndabera tutimani kwa kwanja na beja na okwa gitara akwanta barugire n'utu nyanta ye bakagetate bakeja na njimi watawira mungiri wera n'utu nyambere mbere mbete ndambita kwaria na akuruba area taita barande ndakhwanira bondi kenda batu ambulance ncharo rero atutete kwaria kenda bantu jomba kugitate ukinyanira na itwarie nduko eu natumba kugwatanira na bambira speaker ibwega nondo ntateiro twira ticho twirawa urombo twereza narua itukona kwina tofauti na ntetire tugitate tutwatukirwa so ikyo giachia rero atwetere kwaria tukwirenge twetere na akina Mwongo na timu iro tunengere ku ofisi nene kenda banenkerwa timu ira badu kinove dia those recommendations ile chamanta ya Nkubu jonde nikenda jombo kinyana na bomba gwitikanira so kaba nankwire iketha ati kwinya gwaku na kwenda otedia baduru kuthikanira uthikira muntu wonde then manta ya jombo kinyanira ngikwira ibwega nontu nyano waere mwana wa mwenda ari acha na mwende mwitigoge wali principal wakiwa na Esther wanafanya kazi mzuri sana juu hata juzi Esther aniambia sasa mimi umeniua hii sheria yangu itapitisha umeniua namwambia Esther usijali tutakupitishia na sasa Esther tumepitisha alikuwa sasa nitaenda kuambia gavana wangu nini hizi zingine zimepita yangu imebaki so waziri mwenda iteni kugindongi nangwira bwa itane gaka gavana ninyabo agio kubwira bwega antu baba akarebe burombaira na idarimu bwa karabu kiona ukona idarimu ko wibo burombete muno kaibo bwene nganite jinchige 10 lakini antu bogitate borombera waziri Joy when you are away hata gitaya alisema umemwasaidia kufanya hii kazi ndio iwe kazi mzuri so njanaro Dennis umesikia vile viongozi wakikuja hapo wanasema maneno mzuri juu yenu hiyo ndio njire tunaweza jenga naye gavana
Unajua mimi ambwire we are moving and moving towards the right direction. Ninauma governor na mbere na imberite. There is no way antu abariomba kwa wambeche chakura. Aiwezekani nonto mbe chakura chetawe athiamu municipalities. So yori tinye bukaya wanunja president agwa bwewe bukewa mbere ndibo ata nonto uyu sheria mwera bukora ibodogitete ata iku requirement. Lakini na arua ndina manga bana nyatu geta kwa munene nonto muchore wetu no tuchokenyana ba milioni gana cha kuithia Nkubu Municipality. And that is the only way you can be able to build this area. Na ngabana nkirija mbuge atire ngabana atukaria na arua batutu baba inge muno turi antu banene. But when you look at these people twina ana tutigiete nyuma who are younger than us wama bare agitari bajuju, and we should ask ourselves, but what legacy are we leaving behind? Anabanga yetu dhalimete na bonda Daktari Dennis uko na watoto na ni wandogo. Jiulize, when you are working sasa unafanya kazi kijoki inatuetete na inatuatigana banga yetu dhalimete naye napo. So it is a responsibility and a big one Janaro that batutu in power today we must ensure that Meru County we do the best na tumitige every na hand over this baton kilana baba kitete atia bejete. So if there is a way governor, we can be able to do things, manufacture things, so that anababa nyuma achari batu inaboiba kuomba kuita biashara bakona ganto bakamenyera families ciao, then we do it. Kwa tukagenjira tumba kodiri nyashukuru to ka improve performance yecho ana bakathomera akwe na bakakroka ba compete na bangi, then that is our responsibility. So governor niseme kwa Kiswahili kidogo yo manene ataita niseme watu ataita. Ningemwambia kwanza mshukuru governor sana kwa sababu governor angeniambia Ayubu achana hiyo maneno, mimi singeingilia hiyo maneno. Lakini wakati niliongea naye aniambia mwana speaker, we enda ufanye hiyo kazi and you have my blessings. Na niseme hii ni kitu imekuwa hapo miaka mingi sana, over 50 years. Bereni kwa inasijua inaambiwa isiwe nini, but with the county government now hii maneno ya municipality kakucha. Na tumekuwa na hii msukumano ambayo watu waambiwe ukweli. Mwenye anaenda kuambia unataka kusukuma kitu kwa nguvu, na hata ukisukuma kwa nguvu ni mwananchi ndiye anatakiwa apate these services that we are talking about. So hii maneno ya municipality si ati kulikuwa na maneno mingi. Mimi na governor na ile timu nyingine ikiongozwa na Mheshimiwa Joy, hii vitu imewezekana tu kwa sababu watu wanaweza kuongea, unapewa nafasi anasema yake, yule mwingine anasema yake, na mwisho mkikaa chini mnakubaliana. Kwa hivyo ni kitu ya kujivunia ya kuwa siku ya leo governor ametia municipality ya 4 katika Meru. Na najua governor by September utakuwa umetia kidole municipality kama 7 ama 8. Tukua na municipality 8 ni kusema kila mwaka tunapata hiyo pesa ya World Bank 800 million. Na kama hiyo pesa inakuja wengi kama Kiambu wako na municipality 21, au hiyo pesa peke yake wanapata 2.1 billion. Hiyo pesa hata hatuwezi pata ya development, wanapata hiyo pesa kutoka kwa World Bank 2.1 billion. Sasa sisi hata tukijikasa tu na municipality governor hata 12 tu tunapata 1.2 billion. Na kwa sababu hii pesa ni ndeni inapiana na World Bank, wenye wanapewa wako na municipality moja na wenye wako na 21, pesa ikilipwa ndeni ikilipwa sisi tutafanya nini? Tutalipa. Kama jinani unacheka nini? Sisi kama tunapata 100 million, Kiambu inapata 2.1 billion. Wakati ya kulipa utaambiwa lipa 100 ili alipe 2.1. Iliyo deni italipwa na serikali yake ya Kenya. Serikali ya Kenya iko Meru na iko Kiambu na iko kila pahali. Kwa hivyo ningeomba wale wananchi wenye wananisikiza tukubaliane tuweze kuongeza hizo municipalities kwa sababu njia ya kufaidika ni mingi. Na ngavana nikwambie tutakushikia kabisa 100% mimi na mbunge yetu tukikulia, kwa sababu najua kama kuna investor mwenye anakuja Meru, saa hii akikuja anasema ama barua ikiandikwa anakuja Meru Municipality, na huyo investor akiona I'm being invited to Eldoret City na Meru Municipality, hata ukisoma hiyo wewe utaenda wapi? City. Kwa hivyo tukiweza kutoa hii jina municipality tuweke city, then tutakuwa tumejeka kiwango moja na Nairobi, Kisumu, Eldoret, Nakuru na Mombasa. Hata nasikia watu wengine wakipiga makelele nini. Hii Mount Kenya yote you both west na east. Sisi Meru ndio tutakuwa na city ya kwanza. Nasikia mtu unaongea nini? Na ngava tuko kwa serikali, ambie His Excellency tuko nyuma yake na Profesa Kithure Kindiki, na hata kesho tuende tuwakaribishe. Si ni kweli? Tunataka municipality, tunataka state road, tunataka mashule mzuri, tunataka barabara mzuri. Kwani kama wewe unapigana serikali utatoa wapi? Kwa hiyo ngava anakuwa na nguvu. Shikilia hapo na tutakushika mkono.
So at this juncture, tunaweza kukaribisha tutaweza kupata kilele ya siku yetu kama tuongeza aweze simameni.
Asante, tunaweza keti. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, and all the speakers that have given remarks concerning the day's engagements for the two bills. Allow me to first give the official remarks, and then we engage briefly on our home issues. Honorable Speaker of Meru County Assembly and members of the Assembly present, our CCM present, the chief officers present, legal team, all the stakeholders in this Miraa value chain, Miraa farmers, pickers, traders and transporters, my fellow people of Meru, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, hamjambo. Mueni. Today is a day like no other in the history of Meru County. It is a day of renewal, a new beginning, a historic turning point for Miraa farmers, traders, and all families whose livelihoods depend on this great crop. As I append my signature to the Meru County Miraa Promotion Bill 2025, I do so with a deep sense of duty, responsibility, and commitment to justice. This is a moment of restoring dignity, renewing hope, and reclaiming the economic soul of Meru County. For decades, Miraa has been our pride, not only in the Miraa growing regions, but across Meru County and Kenya at large. This crop built homes, educated children, opened businesses, and sustained entire communities. There was a time when the Miraa trend was truly by the people and for the people, when farmers earned fairly, traders thrived, transporters worked with dignity, and village markets never slept. Our towns and trading centers from Kanuni, Kimongoro, Adhrugaiti, Kaboito, Kiengo, Kanjo, Adhrurojine, Lare, Mutuati, Kabachi, Kadhelwa, Motine, Kangeta, Bringene, Mulango in Tigania East, to Kiendero and Kaithe in Imenti North, operated day and night. Meru was a true 24-hour economy, circulating money across villages, keeping shops open, hotels busy, and families hopeful. When Meru was strong, Meru was strong. The dairy farmer in South Ment prospered. The cabbage farmer in Central Ment thrived. The potato, tomato, and carrot farmers of Bori had ready markets. Lorries of farm produce moved daily into Meru growing areas because cash was available and opportunity was shared. That is the Meru we remember. This is the Meru we are determined to rebuild. However, my fellow people of Meru, painful as it is to admit, that proud reality was slowly destroyed. Over time, the Meru trend fell into hands of cartels, a few powerful individuals, and shandui networks that captured pricing, transport, licensing, and market access. What belonged to the people was hijacked by greed. Today, while Meru generates over 12 billion annually, the farmer earns the least, the small trade struggles to survive, and entire communities sink deeper into poverty. A crop that creates billionaires has left many hard-working families impoverished. This injustice must end, and it ends now. Through this law, we begin a deliberate journey to restore order, fairness, sustainability, and dignity to the Meru value chain. The Meru County Meru Promotion Act number 4 of 2025 is not an ordinary law. It is transformative. It restructures how Meru is produced, packaged, transported, licensed, and exported. It replaces chaos with order, secrecy with transparency, and exploitation with justice. My fellow citizens, hii sheria haikutengenezwa na MCAs na pia na gavana peke yetu. Hii sheria ni nyinyi wenyewe muliunda. Through robust, inclusive, and constitutionally compliant public participation, the people of Meru shaped this law. I sincerely commend the Meru County Assembly, particularly the Agriculture Committee, for steering this bill through a transparent and rigorous process. I thank the Wananchi of Meru for your bold, informed, and purposeful participation. Let's give them a good clap. You demonstrated that when citizens engage meaningfully, they shape their destiny. The committee complied fully with Article 10 and 196 of the Constitution of Kenya 2010 and the County Government Act, engaging farmers, traders, transporters, youth, nursery operators, and administrators across the county. I also acknowledge the valuable submissions from the Ministry of Agriculture, the Meru County Revenue Board, the Meru Farmers and Pluckers Welfare Association, Nyamita, and all stakeholders in the Meru value chain. Your expertise and lived experiences shaped this law, particularly on licensing, governance, market regulation, farmer protection, youth welfare, and sustainability. At the heart of this law is a clear intention. 1, to dismantle cartel control. 2, to protect farmers, traders, and pickers. 3, to expand markets fairly and transparently. 4, to ensure Meru works for the people, not a few individuals, that Act establishes. Also, the Act establishes the following. 1, clear registration procedures for Meru dealers. 2, transparent licensing and export systems. 3, reliable data for planning and accountability. 4, quality and safety standards. And 5, best practices in production, grading, packaging, and transportation. For the first time, the farmer is protected. For the first time, the small trader is safeguarded. For the first time, Miraa is recognized as a strategic agricultural crop deserving dignity and structure. Let me also, on behalf of the people of Meru, sincerely thank the national government for supporting the export of Miraa to Somalia through Mandera, Kiunga, and Liboi. This support has been critical to sustaining our farmers and traders. We respectively urge His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, to engage his brother, the President of Somalia, so that Miraa can be freely ferried by road and air with increased tonnage and predictable market access. Just recently, I personally led a high-level delegation from Meru County to the Ambassador of Somalia, and Mr. Speaker and some of the members of County Assembly were there, who committed to engage his government to fully open the Somali market for Kenyan Miraa. This engaging this is encouraging, and we call upon the national government to work with us and start with the people of Meru across this entire value chain. My fellow citizens, if Miraa retained its rightful value, our children would not drop out of school due to lack of fees. Families would withstand drought with dignity like it is now. Poverty would reduce naturally through enterprise, not dependency. Miraa is economic, cultural, social, and sacred to the people of Meru. We will protect it. What we reject firmly and clearly is turning Miraa into a political crop. To those who benefited from chaos, exploitation, let me be clear, I will not buy fear, nor is any leader of Meru will buy fear. We will not retreat as leadership of Meru and will not relent. The era of cartelism is coming to an end without fear or favor. Na Mungu atatusaidia kwa hiyo hali, Mr. Speaker. As I conclude, today we have not just signed a bill, we have signed a promise. A promise of fairness, a promise of dignity, a promise that Miraa will once again work for the people of Meru. May this law restore hope to our farmers, revive our villages, and secure the future of generations to come. May God bless our farmers, God bless the people of Meru, and may God bless the people of Kenya. Thank you. Asante. Just like many have spoken here, today is both a joyous day and quite emotional because of the two bills that we've been able to accent today. Because the issues that we are dealing with means so much to the lives of our people. And the best thing that has happened is that we've accented to the Miraa Promotion Bill 2025, and we've enumerated what Meru community stands to benefit out of this bill. Nataka kuwashukuru wote sana sana the Miraa stakeholders ambao wamenjinyima, walikataa kuweka interest zao mbele, wakaweka interests za mwananchi wa Meru kwanza, ndio tufike siku ya leo. I want to congratulate first the Assembly of Meru through Brother Speaker Ayubu Bundi. Bwana Speaker, you know how difficult it has been. You know how these people who have historically benefited out of this value chain have been chasing after you and all the players in this sector, especially us, so that we could withdraw, not to proceed with this agenda of liberating our community through the Miraa value chain. But kwa sababu ya upendo wa watu wa Meru, wewe mwenyewe ulikataa kuwa prevailed upon, ulikataa kuwekwa kwa mfuko na wale ambao walikuwa na kukimbiza. Timu yetu ya assembly walikataa kuingiza siasa kwa Miraa, wakasema politics aside, wakasema personal interest aside, the interest of the people of Meru is the first agenda for us, both the assembly and the executive arm of the government. Kwa hivyo nataka kuwashukuru sana Bwana Speaker kwa sababu ya kufikiria watu wa Meru. Chair of Agriculture Committee Bwana Ntururu in absentia, and you've told us ya kwamba wako Mombasa on our official training with the EACC, so they could not make to join us today. We want to appreciate their contribution. We acknowledge, Bwana Speaker, that you are on recess. You are not even on duty. You are on recess as a house, but you cut your free time, the time for the family, the time for personal engagement and personal development, so that we could think about our community development, the welfare of our people. And I believe, even if we will not do anything else, of which I promise the people of Meru that we are going to achieve much more. We've already delivered a historic landmark that will never leave Meru County the same. So nawashukuru sana Bwana Karuiru. Nashukuru timu ya Bwana Sakijo Nyamita. Nashukuru the placards and Abui barabatu ya beta wada ingo chokeria mabundi nkadho na arabari mabundi na engineers. You know, ndaiberwe ntuko enge my brother omwake ari athero that ndetere athero ndabauria bara my engineers bamira boikaira kirato kiriko ndabauria kethri bekirite kirato bambira batekaira kirato bekaira champali eta wade slippers na ndi you can imagine engineer Miraa atekaira kirato kaira slippers chiringi 180 irebo gothania tutetheki nze yetu turi atae na ndi ndaibo mutano wa mutume ira twira tugirira tukiritie twiukiria wampa yetha wampa awambirie tura mutana ntenda gutumira marieto yara yate tigiritwe ina standard twiukiria enda kurira kinyotha ino nkwenda kurira nuko biano ntu nkwenda kurira ka value chain ya Miraa ya bwithiria ntu billionaires batu arimimba Miraa twanke ene barabari mete Miraa twanke oni kweka munda ndaurite mbiri no mbenderia kamunda waura kamunda kayo kialon waura kamunda kawe tuoketha ngiri mana ya 5 mweri ndagaura mwaka yo 2022 December kuma ndiko ura kamunda kau mbeca ira nyingi mbonete ngiri 30 mwitho ingotumite guo na kona gutumite witomborera Miraa weto ambira nanga ngiri 9 wumba kurita
kama na kijana wote government yetu ikiona asilingi ndo lori kiona kama tita bila ngirima na ile asilingi ngirimo
county ira bwana speaker Mombasa county for example na tebo yako eta my other jurisdictions bare yagia lori ira around 28,000 igiukuma utonya Mombasa na riu
kina ngari kiloga kina na ete ora makwo 20,000
bado tutiro ngiri emwe na itwene Miraa ito iti moko tugaretie Miraa itwana beto bate kuthoma nonto bwa Miraa anto tori wando no twambiria kumenyera na bate kuthoma kwa tweka mbeca iriuma Meru tugachikia in other places kuona ito thaigi na ndeka gita mwathani kinyana ba Israeli bekuria nthi yota zaidi ya miaka 7 kagita mwathani kejire so ntikwenda kwaria muno mbe ya kurira nyegethera atongeria batitigiritwe kurira but ukare akurira ata no ntubwa penira ntuba kuba okurukira kiriri njoni ya Miraa ina wana bate kuthoma impara ana bate kuthoma impara na bate kuthoma impara ora mbura iraurire agwinde babe mutindo abarima kenda bare na banywa babe Nairobi kabarima bakethira bena mbeca baturia kethira mbura ni urite kana eturite sini ukweli so Cambodia department MCNDC my legal team the stakeholders of Miraa Bwana Karoiro and all the groups that are players in this sector twina ngugi gukirukia bill ni untu bumwe kome implement yambiriria kurita ngui twambiriria kuthaika amba bana ntwamba twabathaika na amba tukathaika yes na municipal court tukamibwithia kenda muntu watu akamatete Miraa ti license araka ugetoga iko araka ukaringo milioni utuwite girisheria na mpengo twina sheria go form bond wate yari utwaria so waziri the legal team consult and come up with the board the sheria ore kuga all the stakeholders the players barabonde babatire kwethira be in the board kenda twambire ku implement sheria as soon as possible nonto itotete otonga bubwingi ta Meru na nde barabambira mutuma wenda kuthira nonto bwa Miraa you know Miraa kare akobwa of which itowete kia Miraa kabwa tukethira batu turitete ngui yetu ana tukethira to give it the best shot ndegenda kwaria muno kambwire congratulations alimeba Miraa and all the Meru people known to it's not really about Nyambene people it's about all of us known to utwa murimi wa ikwachie murimi wa cabbage murimi wa eria twende turenda economy yetu ye vibrant nikenda tumba kwendia intobira turima in our county Meru being an agricultural county that is what we are supposed to do nkithiria kambwe we have a Kaip era ithiri we are the first county in Kenya kwethira twina county aggregation and integration and industrial park yeto ni 100% complete. So kinya tukiambiria kuimplement sheria ira twina cio, twina already aggregation center yina cold machine, cold rooms kuntu tumba gwika Miraa rwiro rura rwa erwa ngari cia Miraa kumatoka yaga tuthuki mitwiro batire kuthira kana manya tukirukaira Mwea antu baturingira mpito kona yaga tu celebrate wa it is a celebration ari ikuringirwa mpino ntu weka witite okuo karingirwa mpino kakua witite kana wotho thwania batungaira mpiko wirwa bakuringaira mpio karol na ndio ukiringaira mpio kirol land you think muntu uga hotel ka kuringira mpio witite. So rwero rwaitu batire kureka sheria ewire ya no tukethira twina refrigerated transport means cia ngari cia Miraa indauririe ringi bwana Nick arimi ba Miraa ndabauri okethira ndania Miraa na ndania ibire kubatire goma mbere Miraa na maua ya tuketha bure timawa ni no ntongari cia maua ite ya ci matugite maua na iyo ya mayete ite maraka iyo mo perishable and Miraa no ntu igachererwa muno airport ya Wilson kana Jomo Kenyatta airport ngari kabuluka ntu yita na mauru neteta ye on time Miraa always kayitharete ready Nada wimbo chererwa wiki again to every day yani go achererwa rugari no tuchingia ruyu ito time uchererwa ringi mwaka uchereri uchererwa ndikend miaka 10 kako inde tomba gwetha turumi na nyato gwetha turumi ende ngaiga ata to liberate through this bill kwethira tutirari na any regulation kana any structure cia kuregulate manto ya Miraa ni uno nto irari but now that is the thing of the past mwathani oturikana. And I wish the Miraa stakeholders and all the players in the sector all the best. Miraa twamiuririe nyanto bakuma China, twamiuririe antu bakuma America, twamiuririe antu bakuma Germany, twamiuririe investors but me ako engage na gintu gitina sheria but engage no how do they engage with who but they engage but now we have structures. Iboya, I conclude the issue of Miraa kana mantele go ibubu kuwa manto ndege karate Miraa
Bobo ise goya pande ngere mate ya bobo ngabona tobale dero tobia to ni kenda ba ndaba ko mbinge ya February to no kutigana na mbere ka soete seria que lo que kubande bora ushwandika
woba ko mbere to ambere ku implement isawa kinya gona tobia to ya Meru temuno
ora mauria ya na waya munene yenda karabo bwa genda ba no kemato abi
ande kaba kuthukia bill na bill itithuka na ito sainire ya bill
na rakishe ande abodi ya vile kende inyoka ora Miraa okay edero na resi no pero maronga
sawa asante
wanataka nani kiko wewe antuka kulikana ili yeshime mukana na sheria ya kufanya nini ndio tukaidongwa na Miraa itewa
itokero keria sheria zo nyaba karongo ibogoro kika gita. Asante. Kato, now the Nkubu Municipality, the Taita way. The Taita family way. Asante. Congratulations. Oni ntona nto babeya ya nto bataita. Ntona nto ba can defend what belong to them tanto bataita. Ntona. And what belong to them including public property, public facility, public obligations. Ere tiawa yen number days business taita. They have what they love. They have which that they should protect. They have that which they advocate for. Nantona ntubange ni woni ndawire nde umo mwere ya taita. No ntogethera ni wantu bakaragia public property, public facility. Baka wento bibi yetu bwana speaker. Tuno ukethera ntu bakaragia cibitari cia mwingi. Bakaria ithaka bia mwingi. Bakaria skuru cia mwingi. There is a perfect world. Lakini no nto bia mwingi bitiairo mwingi nende ntemenya mwingi no. Baka wa cibitari mwingi, cibitari thirikari itina ndawa. Taita bachanga inya bakaurira yao ndawa. And it's a dispensary. Yani ba me own like it's their private thing. Ibon kiromba nto bonde ba own property cia mwingi ya ora mwere yo taita yukari. I congratulate you even before I do the official remarks because mama okore njange ara yanteto inene muno.
Oh, sorry. I was stressed.
Oh, sorry. Okay, let me first deliver the speech, then remarks. Again, Bwana Speaker and your House, the CCM present, led by Joy, who is the CCM for lands, the chief officers, all of us, the Taita leaders present, Kamashinani, the municipality manager. Congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, hamujambo. Mugeni. Today, we gather here with the joy of a family celebrating a newborn as we unveil Nkubu Municipality Charter. Like a child, Nkubu has taken a long journey to realize this status. We celebrate because we know the benefits that come with this new status. The infrastructural transformation of Nkubu is just beginning. This is the dream and hope of every community. Economic transformation of the town in form of better roads, network, better planned and organized town, better water connectivity, better lighting, and generally improved livelihoods and business environment. At the heart of this aspiration is a vibrant, well-planned, and well-governed commercial hub. The journey of raising Nkubu to municipal status has been long and not without challenges. For decades, the town faced infrastructure challenges, political disagreements, procedural delays, and most importantly, unresolved concerns around public participation. The people of Nkubu consistently reminded us of a fundamental truth: development cannot be imposed, it must be owned. It is for this reason that today's achievement must be understood not merely as an administrative action, but as the outcome of dialogue, patience, and respect for community voice, especially Taita community and the entire leadership of South Imenti. At the center of this breakthrough to grant Nkubu a municipal status was meaningful public engagement, particularly with the Taita community, who are the custodians of land heritage, and historical identity within the Nkubu town. For many years, their concerns reflected a broader call for inclusion, recognition, and partnership in shaping the future of Nkubu. These concerns were not obstacles to development, they were essential foundations for sustainable and legitimate progress. When I took over, my administration chose engagement with the leadership and the people of Nkubu. We chose public consultation over assumption, listening over instruction, and consensus over confrontation. The 18th December 2025 will remain historical in the journey of realizing the dream we are celebrating today. On that day, during a public participation forum that I personally presided over, the residents of Nkubu with the Taita clan playing a central and constructive role gave their formal public endorsement for the establishment of Nkubu Municipality. That moment unlocked everything. It restored the trust, it cleared uncertainty, and it paved the way for the County Assembly of Meru to approve the Nkubu Municipality Charter on 15th January 2026, giving full legal and institutional life to this long-awaited dream. We can give the Assembly of Meru, through Mr. Speaker here, a good hearty clap to appreciate their good work. Sorry for that silence. Okay, we continue. Today, we stand here because the people spoke and government listened. Fellow citizens, the Nkubu Municipality Charter we are launching today is far more than a legal document. It is a powerful development instrument. It ushers Nkubu into an era of growth, honor, and opportunity. By attaining municipal status, Nkubu now qualifies for enhanced funding and conditional grants dedicated to urban development. With the municipality status, Nkubu is now competitively positioned and stands to benefit from approximately 100 million in infrastructure funding through our partnership with the World Bank. These resources will go towards roads improvement, drainage, street lighting, solid waste management, and other essential services that define a functional and dignified urban environment. With the approved charter and integrated urban development plan in place, Nkubu is also now eligible for complementary support from institutions such as the Tana Earthy Water Works Development Agency, particularly in strengthening water and sewerage connectivity. This will significantly improve sanitation, public health, environmental protection, and the overall quality of life for our people. The impact of this milestone is tangible and human. It directly benefits over 25,000 residents within the Nkubu Central Business District and an extended population of more than 75,000 people in the surrounding areas. These are traders, farmers, students, workers, and families whose daily lives will improve through better services, safer streets, and orderly development. As a municipality, Nkubu will enjoy better governance and more responsive service delivery. A dedicated municipal board and professional urban management will ensure that decisions affecting Nkubu are made closer to the people, guided by accountability, transparency, and public participation. This is devolution in a true spirit. Nkubu Municipality will also become a strong engine of economic growth with improved infrastructure, clear planning frameworks, and recognition by national agencies such as Kura and Kena. The municipality will attract investment, expand markets, support small and medium enterprises, and create new opportunities for our youth and women. This municipality will not only generate wealth, it will create jobs, livelihoods, and hope. This milestone is also about balance and equity. Nkubu Municipality will help reduce pressure on Meru Town, promote balanced urban growth across the county, and firmly position South Imenti as a key economic corridor. No part of Meru should be left behind, and today we demonstrate that commitment. Our vision for Nkubu Municipality is clear. We envision clean and healthy neighborhoods, modern markets and transport facilities, safe public spaces, green zones, and a town that is dignified, livable, and sustainable. We want Kobo to be a place where businesses thrive, families flourish, and the future is secure. Fellow citizen, this charter is not for the work, this charter is not the work of government alone. Its success now depends on all of us. I call upon the municipal board to serve with integrity, professionalism. I urge traders and investors to comply with planning regulations. I ask residents to protect public land and infrastructure, and I call upon leaders at all levels to support Nkubu Municipality beyond politics. I wish to sincerely thank the County Assembly of Meru, again represented here by Mr. Speaker, county departments concerned, professionals, stakeholders, and all residents who participated fully in this journey. In a special way, I acknowledge the Taita clan and the people of Nkubu for demonstrating that dialogue, unity, and goodwill can unlock even the longest delayed dreams. Let's appreciate all those groups. Fellow Meru people, today Nkubu steps into a new era, an era of structure and growth, opportunity, dignity, and pride. May Nkubu Municipality stand as a symbol of what is possible when government listens to the wishes of our people. Together, we shall build Nkubu and transform the business environment for the benefit of all. It is now my honor and privilege to officially launch the Nkubu Municipality Charter. Where is the copy? Mr. Speaker, copy, we commit this. Where are the leaders? Bwana Patron? Waziri? Chukua hii, peleka huko. Ningera. Yeah. Oh, you have a copy that time. Pea waziri moja. That's okay. Okay, I go present the Miraa bill. Here in Nkubu Municipality. Kama babu wetura kile historia hii so ukaona mchezo the first page
na municipality kugetana copies hizi
ningera speaker ya municipality ini Miraa ini you have how many?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah, fine.
Pay speaker hiyo. Oh, na ni pinch Miraa.
Atango hiyo unanititeko. Oh, on board.
Asante.
Thank you very much.
Timu ya Miraa njoni moyo kie mbili yenu. Nirigo ni Miraa. Aliyete Nkubu. Chief akasaini kwa tena vile. Toto nani ya kariyo mbele bwana speaker inga mbele toto nani kaba ay gonja gumu yani gogo ndago inyanyazo waziri yoko endelee nzeto
And his smile is a lovely day.
Yes. Nyanga bana tumarita ngarama ukane ngro chief officer wa Miraa. Timu ya Miraa kichogoro ni municipality ni kona karafin. Nebe ya wikao au mitake.
Asante. Na doriwele.
Tete gulle kana.
Are okaburia ile Okay, asante.
Taita yonka na speaker langaba. Taita ari hata itayo
Wagachoka macho.
Taita ke yonka na speaker langaba. Vamos tembe.
Ande yo gain document ni to garingwa mbiche kawaida.
Oh,
seria ni umo. Yo gain document. Ende to kabulia. Swiga hii kwa copy. Let the pair speaker. Let the do.
sawa.
Yo tena te umbo zoom. Kana? Miraa. Unaingia speaker.